हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू हिंदी टू इंग्लिश कनेक्ट। आज हम सीखेंगे कुछ बहुत ही यूज़फुल डेली यूज़ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। आइए शुरू करते हैं। यह ऐसा क्यों है? इंग्लिश में व्हाई इज इट लाइक दैट? व्हाई इज इट लाइक दैट? यह ऐसा कैसे हुआ? इन इंग्लिश, हाउ डिड इट हैपन लाइक दिस? How did it happen like this? तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? तुम क्या देख रहे हो? In English, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? तुम अभी कहाँ जा रहे हो? In English, where are you going now? Where are you going now? तुम किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? In English, who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? तुम्हें यह कैसे पता चला? How did you know that? How did you know that? तुमने मुझे फ़ोन क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? तुम इतने खुश क्यों हो? What made you so happy? What made you so happy? तुम फिर से देर से क्यों आए? Why are you late again? Why are you late again? अभी तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? Next one. तुम ऐसे क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing like that? Why are you laughing like that? तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? तुम ऐसा कैसे कह सकते हो? How can you say that? How can you say that? तुम इतने थके हुए क्यों लग रहे हो? Why are you looking so tired? Why are you looking so tired? तुम क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? तुम्हें यह खबर किसने दी? Who told you this news? Who told you this news? तुम यह काम कब पूरा करोगे? When will you finish this work? When will you finish this work? तुम इस पर विश्वास कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you believe that? How can you believe that? तुम बाहर क्यों खड़े हो? Why are you standing outside? Why are you standing outside? आज तुमने क्या किया? In English, what did you do today? What did you do today? इसमें कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? तुम इतने गुस्से में क्यों हो? Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? तुम अभी किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? What are you waiting for now? What are you waiting for now? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Next one. तुम ऐसे क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying like this? Why are you crying like this? Next sentence. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I help you? How can I help you? Next one. तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet. Next one, तुम्हारे फ़ोन को क्या हुआ? What happened to your phone? What happened to your phone? तुम ऐसे क्यों कह रहे हो? Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that? Next one, यह सब कैसे हुआ? How did it come to this? How did it come to this? हम ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं How did it happen? How did it happen? तुम क्या बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? अगला सेंटेंस, तुम्हारा इससे क्या मतलब है? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? अगला सेंटेंस, तुम अभी कहाँ जा रहे हो? In English, where are you going right now? Where are you going right now? तुम यहाँ किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? Who are you waiting for here? Who are you waiting for here? अगला सेंटेंस, तुम कब जाने वाले हो? In English, when are you planning to leave? When are you planning to leave? तुम्हें इसके बारे में कैसे पता है? How do you know about this? How do you know about this? तुमने पहले मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me before? Why didn't you tell me before? तब तुम क्या सोच रहे थे? What were you thinking back then? What were you thinking then भी हम कह सकते हैं. आज तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? तुम इतने परेशान क्यों लग रहे हो? Why are you looking so upset? Why are you looking so upset? तुम्हारा मन बदलने की वजह क्या है? What made you change your mind? What made you change your mind? तुम मुझसे यह क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking me this? Why are you asking me this? इतने दिन तुम कहाँ थे? In English, where have you been all this time? Where have you been all this time? तुम्हें यह किसने बताया? Who told you about that? Who told you about that? तुम घर कब लौटोगे? When will you come back home? When will you come back home? तुम्हें यह जगह कैसे मिली? How did you find this place? How did you find this place? तुम मुझे जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? Why are you not answering me? Why are you not answering me? अगला सेंटेंस, अभी तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking right now? What are you thinking right now? तुमने ये सब कैसे संभाला? इंग्लिश में, How did you manage all this? How did you manage all this? तुम अपने आप क्यों मुस्कुरा रहे हो? Why are you smiling to yourself? Why are you smiling to yourself? अगला सेंटेंस, तुम क्या करने की योजना बना रहे हो? What are you planning to do? What are you planning to do? Next one, तुम किसके साथ बाहर जा रहे हो? Who are you going out with? Who are you going out with? तुम किताब क्यों नहीं लाए? Why didn't you bring your book? Why didn't you bring your book? तुम मुझे फिर कब फ़ोन करोगे? When will you call me again? When will you call me again? अगला सेंटेंस, तुम इतने चुपचाप क्यों बैठे हो? Why are you sitting so quietly? Why are you sitting so quietly? तुम्हें सब कुछ कैसे याद रहता है? How do you remember everything? How do you remember everything? तुम यहाँ क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you searching for here? What are you searching for here? अगला सेंटेंस, तुम कल क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? अगला सेंटेंस, अब मैं तुम पर कैसे भरोसा करूं? How can I trust you now? How can I trust you now? Next one, तुम्हें किस बात की चिंता है? What is making you worried? What is making you worried? तुम इतने उलझे हुए क्यों लग रहे हो? Why are you looking so confused? Why are you looking so confused? इस हफ्ते तुम कब फ्री हो? When are you free this week? When are you free this week? अगला सेंटेंस, तुम्हें मुझसे क्या चाहिए? In English, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? तुम इस समस्या को कैसे हल करोगे? How will you solve this problem? How will you solve this problem? तुमने मीटिंग क्यों रद्द की? Why did you cancel the meeting? Why did you cancel the meeting? इन दिनों तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you studying these days? What are you studying these days? तुम इतनी जल्दी कैसे भूल सकते हो? How can you forget so easily? How can you forget so easily? अगला सेंटेंस, इसे कौन संभालेगा? Who will take care of this? Who will take care of this? तुम हमेशा इतनी जल्दी में क्यों रहते हो? Why are you always in a hurry? Why are you always in a hurry? तुम वहाँ क्या लिख रहे हो? What are you writing over there? What are you writing over there? तुम उस व्यक्ति से कैसे मिले? How did you meet that person? How did you meet that person? तुम ठीक से खाना क्यों नहीं खा रहे हो? Why are you not eating properly? Why are you not eating properly? आज तुम इतने परेशान क्यों हो? What made you so upset today? What made you so upset today? अगला सेंटेंस, तुम इतनी तेज आवाज में क्यों बोल रहे हो? Why are you speaking so loudly? Why are you speaking so loudly? मेरे बिना तुम कैसे रहोगे? How will you manage without me? How will you manage without me? तो अब तुम किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? What are you waiting for then? What are you waiting for then? आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.